Beauty is in an endless pursuit to retain her youth. Innovation is constantly on the move. Together, they go deeper to reveal the radiance within. Introducing TimeWise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. This innovation takes a multi-layer approach to surface exfoliation. With glycolic acid, skin's own natural renewal process is enhanced as younger-looking, more radiant skin is revealed. Skin looks brighter, its texture significantly improved, and fine lines and wrinkles look reduced. Experience your own transformation. Only through your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant.
Exfoliation should be a part of every woman's skincare regimen. It keeps skin healthy and helps with skin's renewal process. This advanced exfoliator uses the power of glycolic acid